Good evening, all I judge them. Yeah. A while ago, Tash me out there and I say, if I'm the shy one. No, Tash. No shining on my game. I brawling something, man. But a different thing forward to talk about. What the government do something, like, my lockdown the country. I don't know why. I don't see the reason. You see me? So I'm forward with a song today now. For the ghetto people them. It's a message. I want to listen good. DJ Smokey. I big up DJ Novax. Walk foot DJ for the rhythm. I don't like what go on in our country. So I'm forward with a message to my ghetto people them. You see it? And I tell them something like this. Yeah. Alright. Life is hard, don't give up. I'm know life hard, I'm know life tough fall when life is hard, don't give up. I'm know life feel like when I do a buck. Life is hard, don't give up. Not even your one girl, you can just solve when life is hard, don't give in. Long time on a lose time, now for man win. Watcha, you no give up my brother, just go and try. Them no know when we hungry na the weather. Never have no brother, but still me grow rougher. Hard life, a beat, you better stand the pressure. Now sit down on my yard, gonna road for go for better. Me no wanna stretch on a beretta, money better man. Want some big game later. Kyle fi thick like red red sweater. So watcha, go and roll it heavy, get a youth and get a girl. Call round a son a pretty like it a pearl. My G, my fi boss and rough up the world. Poor people a ball, them no concern. Politician, let me tell you one thing me learn. Only they have anything with them can earn. But like the Chinese wall, so we well firm. We are live on to more than what we catch germs. Life is hard, don't give up. Right, that I'm gonna read second verse.
I saw it said, you don't know. Hey, just 1 minute now and a rush time. It is the right time, you know what I mean? Big up yourself, Dessy Frazz. What you mean? Nero, what you think about Dessy Frazz?
Yo, I give him a 7, you see it?
A 7?
I give him a 7.
Just like that. Thank you, Nero Malisha. Kisha Las Vegas.
I'd give a 6 because I think that Dessy can get in his thinking box and be more creative. He's young and fresh, so I think you need to try a bit harder. You know, want to hear the voice, the clarity of the words that you're singing, and don't always do simple for us. Get more, you know, creative in the mind and see what you can give us.
Yeah.
6 for me.
All right, thank you for that. I don't know anything going on. Dessy Frazz, big up yourself. Tall boss, what you say about the performance?
Yeah, him could have do look better still, but he might try, you know. Yeah, man. So give him a 6.
All right, thank you for that, tall boss.
Straight.
What you mean? Yeah, Dessy Frazz, I don't know anything go. Big up yourself, my brother. Good work, you know what I mean? Yeah. Hopefully to see you in the next round. See you here. All right, so.